Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine. Today I'm going to show you guys how to log in Netflix. Here are some easy steps, so without any further delay let's get right on the video. So the first step, what you have to do is open a web browser of your choice. Right now I will be using Brave web browser because it is reliable for me and it has no ads and so on. This is not a sponsored video, but it is a really good app, so you can also use it. So back to the topic, let's go to the Netflix official website by simply typing netflix.com, and after that you will be redirected to the web page of the official Netflix website. And now simply what you have to do is tap on the red button that is called sign in at the top right corner of the screen. Simply tap on that, and now what you have to do is put on your email address or your phone number. You can simply just type your email address which is already registered on your Netflix account, because if you have to sign up then you have to tap on this sign up now. But today we are going to learn how to sign in. So to log in we are just going to type your email address, phone number, and here simply type your password. And after all your credentials are filled up, you have to simply tap on the sign in button and you will be successfully logged in. So there you have it, you successfully initiated the process to log in Netflix. If you found this video helpful, please give this a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any questions or any further assistance, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, goodbye.